Hey guys, welcome back to Honest Product Review. In today's video guys, we'll explain if you have a BMW X3 X4 and if you get a warning message, windshield fluid level low. So this will explain what you need to do to fix that at home. It takes only a couple minutes. If you need to buy the products for that, for the windshield washer fluid and all that stuff, the BMW original one, we'll mention where you can get it from and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. As you know, this is our product review channel, but just a quick video to any of you having that problem, because maybe you're stuck on the highway or something like that. You get that message. It's a little bit annoying because you actually will have a little triangle on the cluster. That's a little bit distracting as well. So we have that BMW X4, which is built on the X3 platform. They're practically the same. So if I go ahead and start the car now, I want to show you here what we're going to get. We'll get a warning, okay, to fasten seatbelt, of course, right now. But if we keep waiting, okay, we're going to get one message. But I just started the car not too long ago. Let me go ahead, turn it off, and you're going to see washer fluid level low. Okay, that thing. So how do you guys fix it? Okay, it's pretty simple. You need to open the hood on your BMW, and how you do that, okay, right there, you just go ahead, okay, pull that lever on the side, open it. We're going to get the washer fluid right here. Okay, that's our washer fluid that we have. I'll be using the Rain-X bug remover because it's almost summertime and in the spring we get terrible bugs here. I would recommend to use gloves when you use washer fluids and stuff like that. If you're using original BMW fluid, you just buy the concentrated formula and you dilute it with distilled water. So what I'm going to do now, okay, I'm going to go ahead, open the hood, okay, and once we open the hood, okay, it's right here, you pull up, and when you pull up, there is one handle here, okay, and that handle we're going to pull and release. Okay, you pull that handle and you pull the hood open. This is your washer fluid reservoir. So when you look at your BMW on the very left side right here, it's a little bit windy, I apologize, and we'll just fill it up. I actually made a funnel because it's extremely windy. We're going to go ahead, add the washer fluid. It will take close to a gallon if you got the light on, so we'll go ahead, do that, and we'll continue with the next step. So mine was almost empty and it took exactly 1 gallon. Okay, now close that thing good. I'm going to go ahead, close it, and if I come inside, okay, close the hood, I come inside. If I start the car, I shouldn't get that message. Now let's see. Okay, and the warning probably should be gone too. I'll go ahead, start it now. Okay, I have okay, let's see, safety belt warning now. It goes away, perfect. And if I go to menu here, go to vehicle info, and then I select vehicle status, okay, and check control, nothing, all systems okay. So that took care of that problem. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.